DiPel and XenTari biological insecticides provide effective control of most caterpillar pests on more than 200 labeled crops worldwide, including vegetables, fruits, nuts, vines, and row crops like corn. Timing and coverage of these biorational products is the most important factor in maximizing their efficacy. Here are a few ways to ensure DiPel and XenTari are used effectively in an integrated pest management program. DiPel and XenTari are not systemic and may need to be reapplied regularly to protect new growth. Adequate coverage is critical for success. DiPel and XenTari work through ingestion. Larvae must eat the crystallized proteins and spores. There is no contact activity. Growers must use appropriately calibrated spray equipment to deliver enough water volume for complete coverage without excessive runoff. Only foliage that is covered will be protected. DiPel and XenTari should be applied during egg hatch or against early instars when larvae are small and actively feeding. Bt bioinsecticides are more lethal to first and second instar larvae because these instars are voracious eaters and require a smaller lethal dose. Effective timing starts with good scouting, so monitor pest populations with traps, field visits, or regional management programs. Since DiPel and XenTari are most effective for the first 3 to 7 days after application, careful scouting or tools like local degree day models will maximize the benefits of every spray. These types of models predict when eggs are likely to hatch, so DiPel and XenTari can be applied right on time to affect the first instars. Timing applications to target these susceptible developmental stages and providing complete coverage will ensure effective and sustainable crop protection with DiPel and XenTari.